How to prepare Indian chicken curry recipe. Indian chicken recipes. Ingredients. Item 1. 1 tablespoon butter. Item 2. 1 cup chopped apple. Item 3. 1 cup sliced celery. Item 4. 1 clove garlic, minced. Item 5. 1 by 2 cup chopped onion. Item 6. 2 tablespoon cornstarch. Item 7. 2 to 3 tablespoon curry powder. Item 8. 3 by 4 cup cold chicken stock. Item 9. 2 cups milk. Item 10. 2 cups cooked chicken, diced. Item 11. 1. 3 ounce canned mushrooms, drained. Item 12. Salt to taste. Rice ring. 1 by 4 cup butter. 1 by 2 cup chopped onion. 1 by 4 cups livered almonds, 1 by 2 cup light raisins, 6 cups hot cooked rice, 6 1 by 2 cup ring mold. How to make curry chicken. Melt butter in saucepan, add apple, celery, garlic and onion. Cook until onion is tender. Combine cornstarch, curry powder, 3 by 4 teaspoons salt and broth. Stir into onion mixture. Add milk. Cook until thickened, stirring constantly. Add chicken and mushrooms. Stir and heat through. Serve over rice ring. Rice ring. Melt butter in skillet. Add onion and almonds until golden. Add raisins. Heat until plump. Add all to rice and mix. Press mixture into greased mold. Unmold at once on platter and fill with Indian chicken curry.